Okay, so hi everyone. So today we are having alongside us Priyanka Journey, one of our PMP mentees, who recently cleared the PMP exam with above target scores. And she was over the moon. And after that, she wanted to recollect some of the other ways in which we from Eduhubspot mentored and benefited her in this journey. First and foremost, welcome Priyanka. Welcome to the recording out here. Thanks a lot to have taken your time for us, and would like you to share a bit bits and bits of your journey alongside us, where you were initially before coming to us with your requirements, and how you went ahead and took it forward. Please.
So actually I wanted to give my PMP exam last year, but due to lockdown and due to my pregnancy and many other circumstances, I couldn't give my exams last year. But then I thought I should start by March when my baby will be 6 months. So before that, I used to go through Varun's videos, and I used to learn from those videos, and I used to like those videos very much because the concepts were very clear with those videos. So in March, when I contacted Varun, and I told him that I usually watch your videos and I go through that, but I need more information because I have to clear my PMP exam by July. So the deadline was July 18th. So then Varun contacted Soumya, and there I got Soumya to help me out. So it was a very good journey with Soumya. These March to July was like I cleared all the concepts which I was lacking behind. And there was no day when I used to not talk to Soumya and I used to not clear my doubts with Soumya. Every step, wherever I used to be stuck, I knew that there will be Soumya around. So it was a great journey. It was a bit difficult also because of the home circumstances, the baby and all that. But because I was day by day, my interest in PMP, and when I was clearing the concept, when Soumya used to explain me the concept and I used to go in depth, the concepts were more clear day by day. So I got a confidence, which I still remember when I first spoke to Soumya in March. My confidence level was very low because I was to think that PMP is very tough, and whether I would be clearing the exam or no, I was very doubtful. That time Soumya told me, no, we'll clear it. Don't worry, don't worry. He used to always tell me that, don't worry, we'll clear it. So there was a time, and today is the time when I can guide anyone. Like I am so confident after giving the exam that PMP is a thing which I without anything I can go for it. It's very
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely, and it's really helpful for everyone who is listening to this video. How we have come across such a big journey, and I hope whatever learnings that we have gone ahead and carried forward during this journey as such, so you'll also be able to kind of apply them in your personal as well as professional lives as well. So that would be the key takeaway out here.
Absolutely. Even in work, while studying, even at work, I used to apply the concepts, and my boss used to like, yeah, this is a new concept, very nice. Even the team members were happy with they were also self-organized, and they were also like, yeah, it will be a much better thing. So yesterday also I applied resource calendar and the team was very happy. So whatever I'm studying, I'm applying that. So even the team is happy, even the boss is happy. So it feels good.
Everyone is happy, yeah. And I also got to know some of your colleagues out there, that Priyanka, went ahead and said about PMP. So we are also looking forward to getting done with PMP. And that's the happiest part out here, to help the whole community out there to gain some knowledge and not only in terms of project management, in terms of any kind of management whatsoever. Because very importantly, while giving the exam, it's not all about you learning something or reading some book and going ahead and giving the exam. It's all about you going in line with the PMI way of thinking, and then getting in shape with regards to the the whole exam in entirety, and that requires both your mind and body to be in sync. And in case of Priyanka, so let me highlight it, over and over again. She had a lot of obstacles on the, the home front as well as the, the office front. She has her babies. They used to cry a lot. And she used to say that, Somi, I'm not able to concentrate or focus while giving the exam. But ultimately, at the end of the day, she made it. Yeah. So that's how it goes. So even if before you go out and start the exam, you need to have it in mind, yeah, the kind of strength that goes in. Yeah, you have to have that determination. And that's what, Priyanka showcased to all of us, how she went ahead and took it forward. So Priyanka, I would like to know a few of your tips and tricks, how you went ahead and, came across or came up, from the, hard obstacles and took it forward. Yes, please.
Like you have to, while giving my exams, I used to, I came across like there is everything. You can't mug up anything. You don't have to mug up. You have to understand what is the PMI way as a project manager, what you will do, and you have to be following your code and ethics of PMI. So, and you have to give your mock test. Mock tests are very important, and whenever you're giving a mock test, your concepts are more clear and clear. You're going into that way. So there were situational questions like, what will be it as a PM? What will be your next step? So it is a situational based questions. So when you give mock tests, you're aware of those situations.
Absolutely. Yeah. So, up and over that, any kind of, tips, tricks that you took in, in consideration when you motivated yourself to give your best, your real best?
I used to analyze all the wrong questions always. I used to always tell you also, Soumya, I am analyzing the wrong questions. And I remember my first mock test when I got 56%, I was like very depressed. I was like, Soumya, I am feeling very depressed whether I'll clear or no. Then I analyzed my wrong questions, and then I was gaining my confidence by each mock test, and then this is here.
Yeah, absolutely. So, it was a seamless journey, although it might seem or sound seamless. It was not at all the case. And I clearly, or, testingly remember, Priyanka coming out with, this picture of 5 pages in which she documented all the concepts. But that was something which is out of the blue. I haven't seen up until this point of time that, someone coming out with all the concepts.
That's my engineering days where I used to like
absolutely, yeah.
Segregate all 5 to 6 books into a page.
Right. Absolutely. That's really good. That's awesome. Any concluding comments from your end, Priyanka, for the mentees worldwide?
As I said, PMP is not to mug up. It is to understand and study. It is to assume yourself in that place, like what you will do, and then study. It is not to mug up the input, output tools. It is to understand why is this the input, why is this the output, why is the tool applied here, and what will be applied. It's not to mug up.
Awesome. So we definitely had a great conversation with you. All the mentees out there, aspiring mentees out there, who are looking forward to getting done with PMP. Must be very, very, must have been very, very helped with all the expert insights that you have shared. I would like to again thank you for all the time that you have taken out here and shared your insights with us, with the Eduhubspot team, and hopefully in near future we'll also be able to go out and take you through your other journey, in terms of your career certifications or even your success, and look forward to that. Great, awesome. Have a great day, Priyanka.
Thank you, Soumya. Once again, thank you very much.